So guys, this I can open really slowly, going with 30 torque 30 because other brake rotor I didn't open it and just had to cut down bolts, and then I actually had to take down the old hub. So this time trying to do something different. So the first thing was tapping this with 30 torque 30 like this bolt, and go that great. So my next thing is, well, I will just tap in really nice torque 40 here. Is torque 30 socket. Maybe it will. And now I'll just try to torque it out. Woohoo! You see? What? I just opened. Whoa, thank God, that was easier than I thought. Woohoo! Last time I couldn't get this out. Well, you see, the only top end is rusted out, so yahoo! I'm so happy. Oh, I can also open this one with torque 40, so I didn't hope it will actually work, but you see, I have like Bosch, oh no, Makita, yeah, it is Makita little bit set, so it's a rather hard one, so you can actually tap this inside, and I also have like a power drill with hammer function, so I can see hammer this out. Oh, I'm so happy because well, with the other tire I had to take off all the bolts, everything, and then take out the hub and replace the inner bearing and everything else. So I'm so happy, so because I opened this one.